Hello everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library here for our holiday craft. And today we're with the little guys. Hello everybody, how are you all? Good, I'm so glad. Are you ready to do some fun stuff? Yes, we're painting today. We're painting, what does that mean? Get yourself a smock or clothes that are okay to get dirty, messy. We are painting with brown paint today. So that's our color because we are going to make this cute little Christmas moose. So we're going to start out making a moose, but we're going to actually decorate his antlers or her, their antlers. Yes. So let's see what we have in our kit today. We have a paper plate and brown paint, like I've already said. You're going to have some black yarn and some little mini pom-poms. You're gonna have some googly eyes. Always the googly eyes, aren't they fun? They wiggle and jiggle. All right, googly eyes and some cardboard. What you need is glue or tape. You can use this kind of glue, or if you have a big person helping, you can use hot glue, but the big person has to do that because it's super, super hot and you could burn yourself, and we don't want burning, okay? All right, so the first thing that you want to do, the very first thing, oh, you know what? You also need a marker, and Miss Penny didn't get one, so stay with me, everybody, while I get a marker, because we need a black marker. So easy. I'm using a permanent marker. You guys can use whatever your big person pulls out for you, okay? Sorry, all done. Now the first thing that we need to do is after you have yourself covered, however you're gonna cover, and your space covered so that it's okay. This is washable paint, so that's good. We're gonna paint our plate brown, the whole thing. So I painted mine 2 times. I painted it once, then I let it dry, and then I painted it again. But you can paint yours however many times you want, okay? Once we have our plate, with your big person's help, because we don't have templates, which is something that helps us know where to cut and everything. So maybe your big person could even be the person that draws on your plate. Now we're gonna cut out the pieces. So we wanna cut out kind of like a moose shape head. So we're really gonna just kind of cut like this. And remember, your big person can draw some lines here for you to help you. Maybe draw them on the back. There we go, that's one side. And I'm just gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Give them just a thin little face. Maybe you can give them whatever kind of face you want, whatever. You want to make him a thicker face, you can make him that, or this kind of face. There you go, that's his face. Well, it's going to be. Now you have these little pieces left. These are going to be his ears. So with your big person's help again, we're just going to kind of cut them just so that they kind of look more like ears, okay? Let me see. It already looks a little bit like one. Maybe it's just a little big. I'm just going to cut it down so it's not so big. There we go. I'm just going to cut. I want them to be, I would like his ears to look the same, so I'm going to go ahead and put one on top of the other. Maybe I should have done that from the beginning. And I'm just going to cut them. There. And now I have 2 ears. So I've got my ears. Ta-da! So I have the face cut out. I have 2 ears. And now we have the cardboard. What do you think the cardboard would be for? Antlers! And we're using our hands. With your big person's help again, you're going to want to trace your hands onto this piece of cardboard, okay? 4 of these you need. It's a lot of cutting. You may need some help, but some of you, I bet, are super good cutters and you might be able to do it yourself, okay? So you need 4 handprints cut out of the cardboard, okay? Now, Miss Penny, because we don't like our videos to be 5 hours long, already have 4 of my handprints cut out. This is what we're going to do. I am going to put my antlers, so you want them to be kind of like one on top of the other. Let me see if I can use the same hand. Yes. Okay. So we're going to just kind of put one on top of the other so that your antlers, actually I'll do it this way, so your antlers are just kind of super tall. That's all. Let me see. Yeah, you can twist them however you want. Twist them, twist them, twist them, however you want, okay? That's all we're doing with these. We're just twisting or taping. You're gluing or taping, whichever one you're choosing, okay? So we're going to put those together. Do the same thing with the other hands, okay? Put them together just to make your antlers super tall. Okay. Then these antlers are going to be going up on your moose's head. But what I'm going to put his ears on first. So I am going to use tape, I think, for the ears. I'm going to decide. So you're going to see, I'm not even showing you guys. What's the point of this video? Oh my. Okay. Oh my. I got it. Okay. So we're going to tape them or glue them onto the back, however you want his ears to be. Up, down, doot, doot, doot. However you want the ears to be. That's what you're going to do, okay? I'm going to use tape for this part. All right. Ears. I'm going to put mine like so. Perfect. All right, and then once you have the ears, then you want to put the antlers on. That's one ant. Oh, we don't want I don't want that. I want to put it the other way. Silly Miss Penny. All right, and I'm just going to use tape again. Okay, so 2 antlers. And my hands are pretty big, so this is going to use probably a lot of tape. And I'm okay with that. Okay. You guys do what you're doing at home. Because this is cardboard, the hot glue might work really well. But again, it's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna have to put some tape, I think, in the front, because actually I'm gonna circle my tape. That's what I'm gonna do, so that way the tape doesn't show. What? Smart thinking, Miss Penny. All right, circle it up and then use it right there. Okay, there we go. Now we got him. The tape does not work super well on these strong antlers, but there it is. Now we're gonna make his face. Face time, face time. This is where the marker comes in handy. We are going to take your marker, and down at the bottom, we're going to make 2 nostrils, right? Okay, 1, 2, and a little smiley face, a little smiley mouth. There you are. You can make your mouth however you want, everybody. This is just how I did mine. You can make yours however you want. I made a tiny one. You can make a big one if you want. All right, and then the eyes, well, we already know what the eyes are, don't we? Googly eyes. So take your eyes and glue them where you want your eyes to be. And then we have our eyes. So this is our moose. There we go. He's not finished yet though, is he? No, we want to decorate him. Decorate our little moose for Christmas. So this is where this string comes in. We're going to take this string and you're going to use tape or glue. Start it on here. Okay, and your big person can help you. So I'm going to put a piece of tape on the back right there. So this is what I did. I just taped the first piece right on the back. Then all I'm going to do is take this yarn and just twirl it around to decorate the hand. There we go, because this is going to be like a light string. That's what the goal is, okay? The black black it's like a string, because we're stringing lights on the moose. And there should be plenty of yarn in your kit to work with, so you can make your string of lights. All right, so I have glue and paint on me now. All right, I have to dig into my second piece here. All right, there we go. So we'll string this around. There we go. Stringing it, so if you can see, there we go. And Mr. Moose now has the string, but now we need to add something to our string. What do we need to add? Who knows? Oh, his eye is falling. His eye is falling. That was what that was. Okay. Now I want to add pom-poms to the strings, so I'm just going to take glue and I'm going to dab it wherever I want to stick a pom-pom. The pom-poms are like the little lights. They're like little light bulbs. So the string is the light string and the pom-poms are the bulbs. So it's like a string of lights on your reindeer, on your moose. I called it a reindeer, but it's moose, I'm sorry. And remember, you can have as much string as you want, because there's plenty of strings. Now, I have all my dots of glue. All I did was put dots of glue all over the black string. And now, I'm just going to put pom-poms, and those are my lights. They're Christmas lights. All on those dots of glue. And it's going to be like my reindeer has his antlers lit up for the holiday. This is such a cute craft. And if you guys do this craft at home and you want to send us in pictures or bring it in and show us, I would love to see what your moose looks like. So there's Miss Penny's. I would love to see what yours looks like. Oh, there's mine. So show me what your moose looks like, guys. And if you don't want to show me, that's fine. Just have fun doing this, okay? Lots of glue, lots of paint, and handprints. Always handprints. Then have your big person help you put your name and the date on the back. You can save this forever. Hang it up, and you can just show it to everybody too. Okay, you guys have a great holiday. I will see you all later. Goodbye.